Careful, Chase.
Yeah. Well, I'll look tonight and see what the weather is going to be. Yeah.
Robot.
You're a robot?
Yes.
What's your name? What's your name?
The big robot.
I could write
I am robot.
Careful.
I'm a robot. Whoa. I can't.
Chase, come on, let's eat the robot food. Let's go.
Okay, take off of your shoes.
No, that was Karina. You kick her.
You almost got wet.